In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a priority inbox for Gmail. If you go to the settings cog, click on that, scroll down a bit, and you'll see inbox type. If you select priority inbox and then click on customize, you'll be able to define how Gmail orders the messages in your inbox. For example, if you wanted to display your starred messages first, you could set that, starred messages, and 25 if there's that many. There's probably not going to be. I know I don't have that many. Then after that, I've set it to show all of the emails in the Google Level 1 certification label. And the way you can do that is in this first chunk up here in inbox and more options, you can choose your different labels. Then important and unread, everything else, and so on. It all depends on how you want to set that up. Click on Save Changes, and now your inbox will show different messages according to the importance criteria that you've selected. And that is how you create a priority inbox in Gmail.